This is just a portion of the strips that I had left over from when the last double churn dash quilt I did. So I guess this is gonna be another stash buster. I still have all these over here. I saw a quilt design on Missouri Star, so I think I'm gonna try that one. I forgot the name of it. And thinking about it, I think I'm just gonna use the blues and the greens. And I'm going to use, what's this? Driftwood. For the background. I had this boat for a while, so I might as well go ahead and use it. The name of the block is called Starstruck, and it's from Missouri Star. And I actually stitched it wrong. These triangles right here are supposed to go on this side, but I think they kind of look good. So I think my next quilt, I'm gonna do it that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and unpick it and stitch it the right way. I just picked out the seams, and I realized after I picked it out that it was right. So yeah. Okay. It didn't take long to make these 4 blocks. So I think I'm going to add a star in the middle and definitely some borders. I know I want to do this again, but maybe just do a little bit of variations on it. Maybe like snowballing these corners right here to get like a diamond right there. That's something. But yeah, it didn't take long, and it was actually quite fun making the blocks.